Mommy, look! Look at the funny cartoon!
I see it, Alex.
Alex, after this episode, it's time to get ready for bed.
Okay, Daddy. And remember, sweetheart, no more TV after bedtime. Okay, Mommy.
Good night, Alex.
Good night, Mommy.
Close your eyes and get some sleep.
Okay.
And no getting up to watch TV, okay?
Okay, Mommy. Promise? I promise.
Good night, sweetie.
Night, Mommy. I can't sleep. I want to watch my cartoon. Mommy and Daddy are sleeping. Just one little episode. Shh, shh. Don't make any noise. They're still sleeping. Here it is! My favorite cartoons! Mommy doesn't know. Yay! I knew I could watch it! Just one episode. That was funny! Just one more. Okay, one more episode. I'm hungry. What's here? Ooh, my favorite juice. Yummy! I want some chips too. And cookies. This is the best night ever. Now I have snacks. TV and snacks. Perfect. I'm a little sleepy, but I want to see what happens next. Just one more. Morning already? So tired.
Alex! Good morning, sweetheart. Alex, wake up. It's time to get ready for school.
I don't want to get up.
Come on, Alex. You need to get ready.
I'm so sleepy, Mommy.
Did you sleep late again?
No.
Alex, please get dressed. We'll talk later. Okay, children. It's time for your little test.
Uh-oh. I don't remember this.
Take your time, Alex.
I wish I had studied more.
Alex, sweetheart, your teacher sent your notebook home.
Alex.
Your marks are much lower than usual.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
It's okay, Alex, but we need to understand what happened.
Did you study for your test?
Not really.
Why, sweetheart?
I wanted to watch my cartoons.
Alex, we think we know what is happening.
It's time for us to talk about your TV time.
Alex, come sit with Mommy and Daddy for a minute.
Okay, Daddy.
We're not angry with you.
You're not?
No, sweetheart.
We just want to understand why you're having trouble at school.
I don't know.
Alex, did you get up after we put you to bed?
Did you?
Yes.
What did you do?
I went downstairs. I watched my cartoons.
At night?
Yes, Mommy.
Did you turn the TV on by yourself?
Yes. Alex, I only wanted to watch one episode.
And how many episodes did you watch?
Maybe 5.
Did you eat anything too?
Maybe.
What did you eat?
Chips.
Anything else?
Cookies.
And?
Juice.
Alex, that's a lot of.
Alex, your body needs enough sleep.
Why?
Because when you sleep well, your body gets a chance to rest.
And your brain needs rest too.
My brain?
Yes, it helps you listen, learn, remember things, and enjoy your day.
You were too tired to eat breakfast.
I wasn't hungry.
And then you were sleepy at school.
Yes,
And you couldn't concentrate on your test.
I understand.
Alex, cartoons aren't bad.
Really? Of course not.
You can enjoy your favorite shows.
But you also need time for sleep, school, meals, play, and family.
So I can't watch TV whenever I want?
Not all day and not all night.
Let's make a new routine together.
A routine?
Yes.
First, school.
Then some rest and play. Then homework. And later, you can have some TV time.
Every day? A little bit, yes.
Instead of sneaking snacks at midnight,
Yes?
you can have a nice snack during the day.
Can I have bananas?
Of course.
And some yogurt too.
Yummy!
Let's finish your homework first.
Okay,
Do you need help?
maybe with this one.
Sure. Let's do it together.
Good job, Alex.
I'm almost finished. Daddy, catch!
I got it. Ready?
Ready! Again!
Look at my happy boy.
Mommy, this is my favorite part.
I know.
Remember, Alex, when the show ends, it's bedtime.
Okay, Daddy.
And tonight, you don't need to sneak downstairs.
I won't.
Good night, Alex.
Good night, Mommy.
Sleep well, buddy.
Good night, Daddy.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Mommy.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, Daddy.
And are you ready for school?
Yes. I didn't watch TV last night.
That's right.
And we're very proud of you. Who knows the answer?
Me!
Okay, Alex, tell us. The answer is 7.
Excellent!
I knew it! Welcome home, Alex.
Mommy! I had a really good day.
I'm happy to hear that.
My teacher said I did a great job.
That's wonderful. The show ends?
Bedtime.
Exactly.
Okay.
Homework first, remember?
Yes, Mommy.
Do you need help?
No, I can do it.
That's my boy.
Finished. Great job.
Good night, Alex.
Good night, Mommy.
Sleep well, buddy.
Good night, Daddy.
Remember our routine?
I remember.
Good boy.
I can't sleep yet. I wonder if the TV is still on. I could watch just one episode. Just one. Shh. Mommy and Daddy are asleep. They won't know. Time to go downstairs. Yes! My favorite show! Just one episode.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
I think I heard the TV.
The TV?
Yes.
Maybe we forgot to turn it off.
I don't think so.
Let's check.
Okay.
Alex! Mommy!
What are you doing downstairs?
Didn't we just talk about this? I wanted to watch one episode.
Alex, making a mistake doesn't make you a bad boy. But when we make a mistake, we have to learn from it.
We made a routine to help you. I know. Do you understand why bedtime is important? So I can sleep
And wake up ready for school.
and study better. Exactly.
Mommy? Yes, sweetheart? I really am sorry. I know.
I won't secretly watch TV at night again.
Are you sure? Yes, Daddy. Then let's start again tomorrow.
Okay, Daddy.
I love you too. We love you, Alex. Good morning. I slept all night.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Mommy, I'm awake.
Before my alarm even rang.
I didn't watch TV.
And I'm very proud of you. What are you doing?
I'm making my bed. Look at you. I'm a big boy now.
You're learning to take care of your things.
Done.
Someone looks full of energy today. I slept really well.
And now you're eating breakfast. I'm hungry.
That's good.
Can I have a banana too? Of course. Backpack?
Ready.
Lunch?
Ready.
Homework?
Done.
Then you're ready.
Bye, Mommy. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, everyone. Let's review what we learned yesterday. Alex, can you tell me the answer?
Yes.
Go ahead.
The answer is 5.
Excellent, Alex. I remembered.
Alex, catch! I got it! Good catch! Again!
Alex, I've noticed something different.
What?
You look more awake today.
I slept early,
That was a very good choice.
and I didn't watch TV at night.
I'm proud of you. What's first?
Homework,
And then?
playtime,
And after that?
TV time.
Exactly.
Can I watch another one?
Your TV time is almost finished.
Just one more.
Remember our routine.
You can watch again tomorrow. Okay,
Ready?
ready. Bye-bye, TV.
Good choice.
Tomorrow I can watch again.
That's right.
Your turn, Alex.
Me?
Yes. I won.
You got lucky.
No, Daddy, I'm really good.
Are you sleepy?
Yes.
Want to watch TV?
No,
Why?
because I want to sleep.
That's a smart choice.
I slept all night again.
And how do you feel?
Great.
Ready for another school day?
Yes.
Take your time, everyone.
I know this one. And I know this one too.
Good work, Alex. Alex,
What is it, Mommy?
It's his new test.
Did I do okay?
let's see.
Are my marks better? We're about to find out. Mommy? Yes, sweetheart? Are my marks better?
Wait.
Look at this.
Alex, what? You did it!
Your marks are much better.
Really?
Really?
I got a good score? Yes, sweetheart.
Yay!
I knew you could do it.
I worked hard. Yes, you did.
And you changed your routine.
I went to bed early.
You did. And I did my homework.
Exactly. So, what did you do differently?
I did my homework first.
And?
I played outside,
And TV?
only for a little while.
And at night?
I turned it off.
Even when you wanted to keep watching?
Should we tell him?
Not yet.
He worked really hard.
Then let's make his day special.
I love that idea.
What are Mommy and Daddy doing? Are they hiding something? Alex! Uh-oh. What are you doing sneaking around?
You caught us, buddy!
What are you hiding?
Nothing!
Daddy,
Okay, but you have to wait.
why?
Because we have a little surprise for you.
For me?
Surprise! Wow! This is for you!
Really?
You earned it.
It's so beautiful.
What's inside?
Wow. Do you like it? I love it.
We thought you would enjoy it.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy.
Today we're celebrating your hard work.
Not just my marks. No, your effort.
And your new habits.
I tried really hard.
And that's what makes us proud.
It's my turn.
Okay, Alex.
I choose this one. Good choice. I think I'm going to win.
Don't be so sure.
Alex, you don't have to stop enjoying cartoons.
I can still watch them? Of course.
But everything needs its time.
Time for school,
Time for homework.
Time for play.
Time for family.
and time for sleep.
And a little TV time.
Exactly.
Mommy? Yes, sweetheart? Can we read a story?
Of course.
That's a great idea.
Today was a really good day.
Yes, it was.
And tomorrow is another new day.
I'll be ready.